Say goodbye to the spawning weapons in your inventory because today I'm going to teach you how to decorate them with the max level skins. In other words, this is known among you as a skin comp. Today we are going to make exactly what you call a skin config. We won't just stop with the M4 and AKM, we will renew all of the weapons from start to finish. Let's start doing it right away. There are two files we are going to use. One is an EX and the other is an OBB file. You can find the OBB file in the Android, then OBB, then Tencent IG directory. It will be the same directory in the emulator as well. I've already left the EXE in the description. Double click on the EXE and open it. After opening the EXE, I opened the OSA packing OBB section. Drag the OBB file into the desktop here and click Start Program. My OBB file has been extracted and moved to the desktop. I dragged and dropped the ZX file from here to the desktop. The process we are going to do is very simple. It just consists of entering and choosing patterns. Now you will see I clicked on the Hotamarin section here. I dragged the ZX file here. Now I'm writing a skin that I want here. Whichever skin you have in your inventory in the game, you can write it here. Since I don't have skins, I'm writing on 4 directly and clicking on its original skinless version. First, you will select what you have, then you will select the skin you want. Like example, I select the M4 I want. Now I need to select the target file. In this part, you should select the skin you want. I want the M4 Glacier skin, not just level 1. You can do the same for all weapons. I wrote AKM here. If you have a pattern, you can also use it in state. For example, if you have a weapon skin called AKM Firearms Bundle in your inventory, you can select it and duplicate it with Glacier AKM. For example, let's say I currently have the AKM Firearms Bundle in my inventory and I select the Glacier AKM in state. And I even select the 711. You can do the same for the weapons as well. For example, you can do it for M7, you can do it for the IOG, and you can do it for the all weapons you can think of. I pressed the start swapping button. The files are correctly being processed and swap finished and target into the .bat file. This file you see now, batched, is exactly the file contained the skin config you see on the right was the original one. The file on the left with the batched and it's the name after saying swap is now the .bat file where the skin I selected are entered. Use it this way if you want, or embed it back into the OBB file if you prefer. That was all of the video, friends. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.